All right, so I'm here at my delivery. I'm shutting down for the night, doing my 10-hour break, and I don't like to idle my truck at night, so I bought one of these Predator 2000 generators from Harbor Freight, and I bought me a portable air conditioner, and I'm about to get it set up for the night. So I like to put my generator right under my trailer, right behind my drive tire, and then I'm gonna chain it up to the cross member here so that no one steals it in the middle of the night. So I'll show you how I do all this. First, we get some gas. The first thing I'm going to do is gas it up. I use ethanol-free gas, so no ethanol, and that way I don't have to worry about using fuel stabilizer. Harbor Freight recommends that you use fuel stabilizer in this, but they're also assuming that you're not using it as much as I'm using it. They're assuming that you're going to be leaving it sitting for long periods of time and use it during power outages and stuff. But I don't do that. I use this thing and it runs out of fuel. Holds about 1.5 gallons when it's completely empty. It's not completely empty right now, so I'm just going to top it off. That's good. Now once I top it off, and then I'm just going to turn this little switch to on. This is the vent. I'm going to turn this little switch right here off, and I'm going to turn it to start. Now I'm not going to start it just yet. I'm going to go ahead and put my lock on first. I bought this cable at Harbor Freight also whenever I bought the generator. It's a little bit long, but it's all good. So I like to set it about right there. And this is what I do. And I'm always careful to make sure that this isn't going to be cooked by the exhaust. So I'm going to give it a little bit of room. Move this a little bit more forward right here. So it's pretty much right up against my mud flap. That right there looks good. I have lots of keys. And now it's locked. So now I'm gonna go ahead and start it. The start position on this is really basically just a choke. So I'm gonna pull that, so here it start, it'll start to cut off. And then when it starts to cut off, then I'm going to turn it to run. Let's go. Now it's going to run. When you got a green light, that means it's producing power. Go ahead and turn this to the on. You'll hear it quieten up. And then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and plug in my power cord that I'm going to run up inside of my door of my truck. Plug that right there. You can let go. And then I just feed this between the tires. This. Right under here. And then I put my cord in this little crevice right here. That kind of holds it. And now I'm all set. Set for tonight. I can plug my air conditioner up in there and I'm good to go. And depending on how long the air conditioner has to run, I may or may not have to get up at some point in the middle of the night and put more gas in it. If it's super hot and the AC has to run hard all night, then I do have to get up in the middle of the night. If it's more mild and the air conditioner cuts off a couple times during the middle of the night because it reaches a comfortable temperature, then I don't have to get up in the middle of the night on my 10-hour break. So it'll run even hard about 6 hours if the air conditioner runs wide open the whole time. So thanks for watching.